Hey man, it's your boy Bezo with Wheels. We back at it again with another one. If y'all new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. We almost at 10,000 subscribers. Definitely excited. But let's chop it up. It's the weekend. I'm really not even supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be chilling with the family, but I got a little excited thinking about this candy paint because I came to the realization I haven't opened up the candy to even check out what it looked like. So y'all, I got it open. We're gonna check out what it looks like. I was going to hit it hard today, this weekend, but I gotta be fair and just make sure I'm spending time with my family. So we're gonna spend some time with the family this weekend, but Monday we're gonna dive right into it. The 5.0, the body work is all done. We'll do one more visual before we lay down that paint. I want to bite. Before we lay down that paint, and we're gonna make sure that before we spray it, everything is up to par. Because the last thing you want to do is have to double back on some candy work. We know about that, trust me. Anyways, let's go check out how this paint looks. Yes, sir. All right. Finally opened it up. It has sat for a second. But hey, it's time to check it out. We got the candy apple red base coat, and then we got the gold metallic base coat as well. Now we'll talk about these right here. This got the metallics in there is busting. It's crazy. The color itself looks good. I would draw this. This probably look like somebody's factory car. But now before I got this kit, bought this kit online. Before I bought this, I was originally going to go ahead and go with just buying my own base coat for the gold and then just buying the candy apple red by itself. But everything was just, I think at the time, I couldn't find just the paint without getting hit over the head. So I ended up finding this kit. This kit also came with clear coat. And I'm excited that because I don't ever use anybody else's clear coat besides Finish One. Everybody's been trying to tell me to grab, Grant 7 and a bunch of other brands and all type of other clears that I just was like, man, I ain't really tried that yet. So that'll be the third clear I might have tried since I've been painting. So anyways, this is the base coat. We got the gold metallic base coat, and that will go underneath the candy apple red. I'm anxious to see how this looks with this gold. Now, I pulled my gold out that I originally bought the first time. I'm not gonna lie, I think this one will look amazing just because it's this might be deeper and warmer and it might change the tone from this one. So what we'll do, I'll give him that opportunity, that option to be able to, we'll lay these on a test card. We've got some test cards back there. We'll spray it with this gold, and then we'll spray it with that gold, and then we'll spray it with the candy apple red, and we'll just see what the difference is. And then he can just pick, what tone he wants. If he wants a deeper tone or a more rich tone, it just kind of depends. It might not be even different because they both consider this gold, but we'll see, because to the eye, clearly that's a darker gold, and the darker your base coat is or the lighter your base coat is, it will change that tone. So we're going to check that out. We're going to jump into that Monday. I don't want to get all dirty. I'm excited, man. The paint is here. The car is finished. So we're going to dig into it Monday extremely hard. Now, I've used this brand. This brand is amazing. It's great. As a matter of fact, the Candy Tahoe, that I painted, the candy brandy wine, that's actually this coat right here. So let's try and look at the difference between the candy brandy wine and the candy apple red. It's almost not too much of a difference, but I said that last time, and when it looks exactly the same, damn near. But you can see the brandy wine has the metallics in there. But the metallics from here is actually going to make this one have metallic. So you can tell it's just a solid candy apple red, which candy apple red, I don't even think that does have metallic in there, even from the House of Color brands. But this one is got the metallic in there. And then heck, man, what if we went, but we can mix them both. They both candy. We can just try it to see how it look. Why not? So and it's definitely enough here. I got probably about 2 quarts, almost a little over 2 quarts. So this is candy brandy wine. That's candy apple red. It's almost, the only difference that I can see is, I think, hold on. Yeah, this one feels thick. This one feels thicker for some reason. But this one is almost like a deeper tone. Yeah, this is a deeper look. So I'm super excited. So the last time I compared it, I even compared it with the House of Color. I had the candy and the brandy next to each other. And in the can, they looked identical. They looked identical, exactly the same. But when you lay them down, it's a world of a difference. So, and then at the same time, I had a black base coat on here, and then on the candy, it was a silver. So, yeah, man, like I said, this is the Auto Paint HQ. Great, lays down wonderful. Never had an issue with it. This would be the 3rd time that I use this brand. And I'm excited to use the clear. I haven't used the clear yet, so we're going to check that out. But we're going to get these lids closed and get these things, make sure we're going to look over the car one more time. I'm mad excited just because, yeah, I got another opportunity at this candy apple red. So, yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, let's go check. Let's go. Man, hold on. I don't even know where to. And well, let's try this. Check it out. See how it look in the light. Bah, bah, bah. Yep, work. Don't stop. Let's check out how she's looking. And this is obviously a light base coat. This ain't even considered as a base coat, but yeah, man. So I'm excited. Smells like candy. I wonder if it tastes like candy. Nah, I don't want to taste it. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all hit that subscribe button. We're having fun with this and we're learning at the same time. So this bad boy will be getting painted. Let's count on Monday. So major plays. We'll roll all these cars out. We'll get the garage all prepped up, get everything all cleaned up and straightened up, and then we'll tag at it. So y'all stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment, all that good stuff, and then drop some pointers, drop some ideas, man. We're learning, like I said. Ain't nothing else to it but learning. Like I said, we are out of here.